Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 27, 2025, about 3 days ago. This paper teaches multimodal large language models to think with videos by interleaving grounding and captioning inside chain of thought, reaching state-of-the-art among 7B models with about 43% on video homes, 33% on CG bench reasoning, and 81% on VR bench. The paper is titled Video Thinker, Sparking Thinking with Videos via Reinforcement Learning. And as we will see later, the reinforcement learning stage drives striking generalization gains. Also, the authors shared a GitHub repo. You'll find a full codebase with data, deep speed, eval, scripts, and train folders, a requirements file and install steps, ready-made SFT and GRPO training scripts, batch evaluation, and sample annotations. The video files are coming soon, and the 7B model is available for use. On Hugging Face, you will find Video Thinker downloads, the 8 billion parameter BF16 weights and 2 quantized variants, plus quick transformer snippets for video question answering and reasoning prompts. Alright, Figure 1 shows overall performance across 8 video benchmarks, using a radar chart, which plots scores along spokes, so farther out means better results. The teal line for Video Thinker 7B reaches the outer ring on several tasks, signaling the strongest balance. The blue and orange baselines stay closer to the center, which indicates weaker generalization. The legend on the left lists competing models for head-to-head comparison. Well, Figure 1 showed broad gains. Figure 2 illustrates how the method achieves them by threading grounding and captioning steps directly into the chain of thought. Grounding means the model marks when key moments happen in the video, while captioning describes what occurs, so the reasoning can cite concrete visual evidence. The trace then evaluates answer options and selects the final choice, all trained end-to-end with reinforcement learning. Alright, Figure 3 shows the data synthesis pipeline that turns mixed video sources into structured training samples. The flow starts with dataset collection and filtering, then creates either questions or captions depending on what each source lacks. Reasoning trace generation uses hindsight curation, which means the system drafts the chain of thought after knowing the correct answer, so the steps stay aligned. The final sample bundles a question, options, time range, caption, and chain of thought. So Table 1 summarizes head-to-head accuracy across 8 video benchmarks, and it shows a clear lead for Video Thinker 7B in both out-of-domain and in-domain settings. The strongest out-of-domain scores land near 43% on video homes, 33% on CG bench reasoning, and 81% on VR bench. The base supervised model lags, which highlights the benefit of reinforcement learning. The highlighted bottom row lists the final numbers across all datasets. So 2 takeaways stand out: weaving grounding and captioning into the chain of thought. Then tuning with reinforcement learning unlocks strong tool-free video reasoning, and a compact 10,000 sample corpus plus GRPO delivers sizable out-of-domain gains. The broader signal is data-efficient temporal reasoning for multimodal agents. Thanks for listening. I am Alex, signing off.